Good morning, everyone. 12 Commerce Statistics Part 1, in which we take revision of the short example generally asked for 2 to 3 marks, means in section C or in section D generally. Revision Statistics Part 1. Given that n equal to 10, x bar and y bar are respectively 120 and 150, 120 and 150, value of x bar and value of y bar. Sigma xy 1,89,000, sx and sy, standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y, 30 and 40 respectively. Calculate R. Here we take the short example, only hints and answer, means which is the applicable formula, and after simplification what is the final answer. The remaining calculation leave it to you, please. Sigma xy 1,89,000 minus n means 10, x bar and y bar are respectively 120 and 150, n means 10, 30, 30 and 40, 40. Substitute the value of phenomenon and finally answer will be 0.75. R, the coefficient of correlation after making simplification and calculation, R is equal to 0.75. Next, for the series x and y, arithmetic means are 60 and 95 respectively. Means this is x bar and this is y bar. Sum of the squares of the deviation means 920 and 1050. This is sigma x minus x bar whole square and 1050 sigma y minus y bar whole square. Minus 545. Sum of the product of the deviation means sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar is minus 545. Calculate R. R is given by sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon square root of sigma x minus x bar whole square into sigma y minus y bar whole square. Minus 545 upon root of 920 to 1050. Ultimately, after making simplification, answer will be R equal to minus 0.55. This is negatively correlated. Negative correlation is that between the variables x and y. Given that n equal to 10 and sum of the square of the differences between their ranks. Sum of the square of the differences between their ranks. 240 means sigma d square is 240. What is the value of coefficient of rank correlation? R, Spearman's coefficient of rank correlation is given by 1 minus 6 times sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. Substitute the values. Sigma d square 214, n equal to 10 means n square is 100, means 1 minus simplify 1.3030. Therefore, answer is R equal to minus 0.3030 as answer. Means association is negative, means they are negatively correlated, or there is disagreement. Disagreement also we can say. The coefficient of correlation R is question 1. Given that n equal to 10, sx and sy, standard deviation of the series x and y are respectively 5 and 6, and sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. This is also known as sum of the product of the deviation taken from their mean is 6063. The formula is based upon what is the information is given. Information is supplied. We have to make use of formula according to that appropriate formula. R is equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon n time sx into sy. Means 60 upon n means 10. 5 to 6 means 60 upon 300. Answer will be 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5 is R equal to 0.2. Please be careful about simplification and about calculation. Final example, example number 5. Generally, this type of example can be asked in section C or in section D, means for 2 to 3 marks in the board examination. For a regression line, By is 0.75. U is given by 6 times x minus 20 and V is given by 2 times y minus 15. Calculate BVU. Conversion. Here Cx and Cy are the common factor of the series x and y. multiply by 6 means divided by 1 upon 6. Means Cx is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, Cy equal to 1 upon 2. Cx and Cy means not V but Cy. This is the value of Cy. Here V means 1. Right? Now the formula conversion or transformation. Vyx is given by Bvu multiplied by Cy upon Cx. If you take this Cy upon Cx on left hand side, it become reverse. Cx in the numerator and Cy become in the denominator. Only the right hand side, only Bvu. Therefore, Bvu is Vyx. Vyx the value is 0.75. Cx 1 by 6 upon Cy 1 upon 2. Therefore, 0.75 means 75 by 100, 1 upon 6. Denominator of the denominator become numerator, 2 by 1, 2 3s are 6 and 25 3s are 75. Therefore, 25 upon 100. 25 upon 100 means 0.25. Therefore, BVU after simplification, final answer BVU is equal to 0.25. We practice this type of example in each chapter. Minimum 25 number of the example if you solve for the section C and section D, then an exhaustive practice can be done. Means from textbook, from illustration example, from practice book, from paper set or whatever may be, you have material, right? So we practice very well and get the good marks. Okay, see you.